Hello everybody, welcome to Remy Hair Company. And today we're interested in our hair products to our customers all over the world. And we do the straight hair extension with frontal. You see, this is a round straight hair extension, and the best quality is affordable drawn quality. We can customize the hair quality. You see, it's silky and very bouncy, very full from top to bottom. I can take the bundle to you. You see, this is one bundle. One straight hair extension, 100 grams. And the next is the loose deep wavy. This is the loose deep wavy. 300 grams and one piece frontal. You can mix a wig with this. And the next is the water curly. You see, it's very bouncy and will keep the curl. Yes, we have the wholesale price with another texture is the 613 color, blonde color. Yes, let's come to contact with us to get the wholesale price, and we can customize the logo, the sticker, and the color for you. Okay.